Yo, Lionel, what's for lunch today?
Buongiorno. Today we're making Italian beef ragu. Oh. Alright, so let's start. Add in some nice Italian olive oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna season my beef chuck tender actually. It's good for braising, so always remember that. So now I'm done with the seasoning. So I'm gonna put it in my pan. I'm gonna pan sear it nicely. I like it brown. Alright, so you know this is a Dutch oven. It's a cast iron actually.
Yeah, Dutch oven has a good heat retention.
Yeah. You can see this is the color that you want. Like a beautiful sear. Check out the oil, check out the oil, check out the oil. Oh my god.
How many years you've been cooking Italian food, Lionel?
About 12 years. I started out with a Michelin star chef. Yeah, but he taught me stuff lah. So everything's all mama's cooking. So now my onion goes in. The carrots, this is 1 carrot, 1 celery, and this is actually 1 onion. So it goes inside. Right now I'm going to deglaze this. French deglazing. 2 bottles of red wine. The French call it Santé, I call it Salute. Cheers sir. Goes inside. I just want to bring it to a nice reduction. It's almost there. It's about it takes about 4 minutes.
I usually tell people to just reduce by half.
Oh, okay. That's a good way of judging. Alright, so it's by half already. I'm going to throw in rosemary. Ragus are just leftovers from the kitchen. So whatever you have, you just throw inside. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my beef.
The wine gives such a nice deep color to
Yes. See the color is so red. Tomatoes are like my favorite. I drink tomato juice almost every single day. But now they're running out of stock.
Hey, you drink that bowl lah.
No, you can't drink this because it's not salted. Okay, I'm going to add about half a glass of water.
Okay.
Just to cover. 30 grams of sugar.
Wow, you scaled everything out already?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you have salt. Spurt.
Ooh, nice.
Alright.
Ching ching. It's really just nice. I thought it was too much salt, but it's okay.
It's just nice. So I'm gonna power this up to bring it to a boil. I'm gonna use my internal heat to bring this up to a boil.
Yeah, it's very fast.
You know, have you seen those Kung Fu?
Smeg induction very good, right?
Yes. That's what I'm gonna do for my house renovation. Or Smeg. Alright, so it's getting a boil. And then I'm gonna go in 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Or 1 hour.
Alright.
Okay, so this is gonna go up.
Hey, I know. What are you doing?
I'm feeding my ragu. Like how Italians romance their women. It's done. Okay, back to normal. Okay, done already. Oh my god.
It smells good.
Oh, this reminds me of my perfume I used to use. Oh my god, I used to use deep red now. Beef out. Check out how tender my beef is. Oh, sounds so wrong. I like the way how I do it. Just with a pull of a fork. You know, you just shred it out. Oh my god.
Okay, so not too fine, right?
Not too fine, but I just want to speed up, you know, just a bit more. So I'm gonna blend my sauce. It is very important. I'm gonna go at low.
Low?
You hear the sound? Low.
Did you see your face when you're blending things?
It's the face of seriousness. I shall put back
Okay.
all inside. Oh, so fucking good! Alright, my butter is boiling already. Goes in. Okay, so I'm gonna put about 3 layers of this. Remember, equal portions of meat and sauce. So while that's bubbling away, I still have about 2 or 3 more minutes. Sorry. It's muffin time. A bit of Parmigiano inside.
Italian MSG.
Italian MSG. This is what binds everything together. Alright, so it goes in. Shall you see how thick my hopan is? Oh, sorry, my papardalle is. Not forgetting one more thing, as I always say. Pasta water, holy grail. I'm gonna bring this up to about high heat. Also let it boil down. Can you see how well the ragu sticks to the pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, Monte. This is going to make your ragu very, very rich and very shiny and glossy. Okay.
This is the prime condition of a ragu pasta.
Yes, and we're gonna plate this. Oh my god. This is papardalle. Wow, splatter them on.
Nice.
A bit of parsley. And olive oil.
Additional kick.
Oh. Done. So simple.
Not so simple. This one is a bit complicated.
Well, you can do it at home. If Lionel can cook, okay, never mind, it's okay. let's cut that. Let's stop there. Right? Subscribe to Forecast for more of these fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Yeah. And cut.